These gorgeous profiteroles got a crunchy layer of chocolate crackling on top. I did tiramisu, the most famous Italian dessert, as the filling of these profiteroles. Let's find out how I did this. Welcome to Kish Pastry. So we'll start off with the crackling. This is the recipe. It's similar to a cookie dough and it's really easy to mix all together. Butter needs to be cold, not soft. Just cut into small cubes. Demerara sugar. Beat these together before adding the plain flour and cocoa powder. Now I'm adding plain flour and cocoa powder. It's gonna be crumbly, chocolatey dough. I got these parchment sheets. I'm going to roll in between these sheets now. And I'm gonna freeze this dough before I cut. Thin layer of cookie dough. This is the recipe for choux paste or pâte choux. First preheat the oven 180 Celsius. Now I'm going to bring this water, butter, sugar and salt to boil. Give a good stir. The butter is melting now. I'm adding strong flour. I want this to become a paste. I'm adding strong flour here, which is high in gluten, and it will help to rise the dough evenly and it will hold its structure. Choux is really easy to make, but tricky part is knowing how to get the right consistency. It depends on the moisture in the dough. Today I'm using medium-sized eggs, around 50 grams. So if you're using a larger eggs, make sure you add a little less. Now the dough is ready. I cook around 3 to 4 minutes into the machine. Still the steam is releasing from the dough. I want this dough to come to the room temperature before adding the eggs. I'm going to give a little bit of whisk to the eggs just to break, and after I'm going to add one by one. And when you bake the choux paste in the oven, make sure not to open the door to check the choux paste, because the steam in the oven helps the choux paste to rise. So if you open the oven, the steam release and the choux buns will go down. My paste is ready. Like I said before, the steam helps the profiterole to rise and hold the shape. Now I'm going to pipe this onto a silicone mat using a plain nozzle. Try to pipe the same size. frozen crackling dough or the cookie dough. I'm cutting with this cutter. Place on the profiteroles and start baking at 180 Celsius. After 5 minutes, bring it down to 160 Celsius. Perfect choux is crispy and hollow in the middle. These choux buns are more crispier because you got a crackling top. Now I'm going to make some garnish. I melt this chocolate and temper it. I'm going to brush on these acetate sheets and some I'm going to pipe. And this is the recipe for the tiramisu. I'm going to use this as a filling for my profiteroles. It's really easy. I'm adding mascarpone cheese into the machine bowl and whisk it with caster sugar. And add some double cream, and I add some masala wine. It's done. This is the coffee mix. Instant coffee, water, sugar, all mixed together. I'm going to use this as a dip for the sponge disc I'm using to place in the middle. Cut these profiteroles into half. I'm going to pipe the mascarpone mix on the base. I got sponge cut into small discs so I can dip it in this coffee mix and place it in the middle. Pipe more mascarpone mix on top. Cover it with the top. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Check my other videos too. If you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, hit the thumbs up button, and I will come with another video.